Hi, my name is Mindy Hanak, and I am the Community and School Garden Coordinator for IFAS Sarasota County Extension. I have a really cool job. I get to support the gardeners out at our 7 community gardens that we have throughout the county that are located in our parks. And then we also have many school gardens where we have phenomenal teachers, master gardeners, collaborating to teach kids about gardening and growing food. So in addition to that, there's things like the One Seed program where we put seed packets out to our local libraries seasonally to encourage people to try growing food at home. And I partner with master gardeners and our agents to create educational content that we can share about growing food and creating community gardens. So thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you outside gardening soon.